In this lecture, we will learn how to use the else statement with for loops and while loops. We've learned that the else statement can be used with if and elif statements. However, one thing you may not yet be aware of is that we can use the else statement with for and while loops. The else block will come after the body of the loop, and its code will execute after all of the iterations of the loop are completed. For this example, we will have a for loop for I in range 3. Inside of the for loop, we will print out I cast to a string. Then will come our else statement. Inside of the else block, we will print else statement hit to the console. When we run the code, you will notice that 0, 1, and 2 were printed, and then else statement hit was printed to the console. As you can see, once all of the iterations of the for loop were complete, the else statement was executed. We can also use else statements when working with while loops in Python. For this example, we are going to create a variable named example and assign it a value of 0. Then we will have a while loop that executes while example is less than 2. Inside of the while loop, we will cast example to a string and print it to the console. Then we will add 1 to example using the plus equals operator. After that, we are going to have an else statement, inside of which we will print out else statement hit. When we run the code, you will notice that 0 and 1 were output, and then our code hit the else statement, which printed else statement hit to the console.